Hello, my name is Dr. Cheryl, and I'm a certified naturopathic doctor. So many people come to me all the time and they say, I just don't feel well, and yet I went to the doctor, my blood work looks fine, and they're like, I don't understand. And the problem is, in traditional medicine, our blood work and pathology is designed to diagnose disease. And yet, what the problem is that you may not have fallen off to that disease point. You might be 1 point away from it. And the doctor says you're fine, but you don't feel fine. And that's a real problem, okay? And then another thing that happens to people come to me all the time, one of the biggest complaints is, I just can't get my weight under control. I've tried multiple diets, and every time I might lose a few pounds just to gain it back. And that can be so frustrating because when you diet, or what we call yo-yo diet, you end up getting heavier and actually losing muscle mass. And that's such a frustration because emotionally and physically, when you're overweight, it affects every aspect of your body, your joints, and it can lead to a lot of inflammation and hormone imbalance. And the other thing I hear about so many times is how many times my clients come to me and they say, I just feel like I'm aging quicker than I should. I can't go out and play with my grandkids anymore. I have low energy. And maybe you've, spent a lot of money on supplements to try to remedy that, but you don't know what to take and you haven't really found solutions. Or maybe you've spent a lot of money on anti-aging with cosmetics, but that still doesn't help you feel better if you don't get to the root cause of why your body is moving into a more diseased state. Okay. And the other thing I hear is many of my clients come and they say, I've been prescribed medication. I really don't like how I feel on the medication. And they're looking for more natural solutions in how to bring their body into balance so that you can live and enjoy the life that you want to have. I so get how you feel. This was me well over 30 years ago. As a younger woman, I was on antibiotics 8 to 10 times a year. I went to my doctors over and over and over again looking for why this was happening to me. I was sick more than I was well. And that led me to the study of naturopathy, which literally changed my life. It set my body free. And so I created the Institute of Naturopathic Wellness, and I set a mission to help people who want to take responsibility for their health and bring their body back into balance using a more natural approach. So I have literally been able to help thousands of people who were desiring to really get to the root cause of their health challenge and bring their body back into balance. And one particular client that comes to mind, she came to me, she was on a very long list of medications, still not feeling well, low energy, lots of health challenges. And with the help of her doctor, we were able to bring her off of these medications using a more natural approach. And today she reports to me that I never dreamed that my life could be this good again. She's full of energy, doing the things she loves. And it is absolutely so rewarding when you look at the root cause of why your body's out of balance and then to be able to hear how the results happen. And so, you may be feeling that you just have to live life the way you're living it. You may be feeling like, this is just the aging process. But I'm here to tell you it doesn't have to be that way. In this country, we do a great job at critical care and actually disease management. The problem is we don't do such a great job at prevention and wellness care. Let's take a look at, for example, your blood work. And you say, my blood work is fine, but I don't feel well. The problem is we're not measuring you against like a tip-top athlete where you're really showing your blood work is in ideal range. You may be living for years and years not feeling well, and then all of a sudden the blood work goes into that pathology and now you are diagnosed with a disease. So how naturopathy is different is we look at the root cause of disease. So many diseases are actually caused, over 80% are caused by lifestyle, okay? Whether it be your cardiovascular system, your digestive system, your hormone system. We look at how to balance these systems and what is it that maybe you're doing that is causing those to be out of balance. You could even be on some medications that you had to have been on for years, and those are depleting the body of certain nutrients that can really cause you to feel badly too. And when we're on medications, many times you're in this downward spiral because one medication causes another side effect, so then you go on another medication, and many times, people, in their 60s, 70s, they're on multiple rounds of medication. With naturopathy, what our goal is to teach you how to look at your body differently, looking at the root cause, looking at your lifestyle. And then that's what we do. We go after trying to look for that one or two things that you maybe is affecting your health and bring them back into balance so you can live the life that you want to have, enjoying it and being able to have that quality of life. So what I do is I actually consult people. I look at people from a point of view of everybody is different. And I'm looking for, why is your body out of balance? So what I do is I actually do a private one-on-one consult that goes somewhere between 60 to 90 minutes. I look at your health history, everything from when you're a little child all the way up to now. I look at medications, I look at supplements you're on, I look at the diet. And together we come up with a plan to help bring your body back into balance. It may be just one or two little tweaks. It might be that your adrenals, because you've been under a lot of stress, that cortisol is too high, which is affecting your hormones, which could be affecting your thyroid condition, which can be affecting your weight. So what we like to do is really ask you this question. Your body is talking. Are you listening? And your body is talking. Is your doctor listening? I'm listening. And I want to help you get to the root cause of whatever that health challenge might be and help you find a more natural solution to bring your body back into balance. If you're ready to really learn how to take charge of your health naturally, your next step is to book your appointment for a consult, where we're going to spend 60 to 90 minutes together really diving into what your health goals are. You will also receive a 20-minute follow-up appointment with me. Now, some people say, oh gosh, natural health is expensive. And I have to disagree with you, because when you measure out what it costs to invest in your health versus what you have to spend when you get very, very sick, there is absolutely no comparison. So I always tell people, be proactive with your health. Take the time to really dive in, and it will pay off big time. So now, once you book your appointment, you're going to go to the calendar below, pick your date. You'll get an email confirmation that will also have a health history form. You're going to fill that out in depth, okay? And then we're going to be going through that together. You will also get a follow-up appointment with me that will be 20 minutes to make sure that you're on the right track. And so I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to really helping you dive in and be the best you can possibly be and take charge of your health naturally.